How to check Facebook email address. Let's get started. In case you have forgotten the email address that was linked to your Facebook account, make sure to watch this video till the end. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon. You'll be directed to settings and privacy page. Here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section account center. Now click on the option personal details. Now over here you'll be able to find the option of contact info that will include the email address that is linked with your Facebook account. So this is the email address linked with my Facebook account. Clicking on that, you'll be able to add a new contact. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily check Facebook email address. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.